Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the watch and phone. Back up the paired iPhone so health and settings are preserved, and confirm your Apple ID for activation lock. Once done, plug the watch into its charger and make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, if you can, unpair from the iPhone because that automatically removes activation lock. If unpairing isn't possible, proceed directly on the watch. Either way, start the reset now. Now perform the reset. First, try Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. Enter the passcode and confirm. This gracefully wipes the device. If the watch is unresponsive or locked, use a force method. Press and hold both the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears, then immediately release. Repeat, and when prompted, follow the erase flow. Make sure you authenticate with Apple ID credentials when requested to remove activation lock. After the watch erases, it will reboot to the setup screen. Pair it with your iPhone and choose Restore from Backup or Setup as New depending on your needs. If activation lock asks for the previous Apple ID and you can't provide it, sign into iCloud. Find devices and remove the watch. This unpairs it remotely. If the erase fails repeatedly or the watch won't respond to button presses, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics and potential service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.